Good morning. It is Monday morning, and today I am not packaging or making a bunch of orders. Mondays, I typically do a lot of filming. Typically, Mondays are like my slow days, if you will, for my small business anyway. But YouTube-wise, I film the majority of my videos Monday through Wednesday. So I'm going to be filming a lot today to film my videos for this week, and other than that, the only thing I'm doing like small business related today is I am like completely out of all of my inserts. I need to stamp some of my thank you cards. I basically just need to like restock a lot of my packaging materials and then set it up to where when I'm ready to package all my orders, I have everything all set up. It's all good to go. I can just kind of grab and package and go. And I'm not like, oh, I gotta stamp this, and oh, I gotta cut this out, and oh, I gotta do this just to package the items. So I'm basically going to be restocking my shipping station and getting all that stuff set up. So not a super fun and eventful day, but that's okay. That's Mondays, right? All right, guys, so let's get our day started, and I will take you along for the ride. Hi. You ready to go inside? You ready? You ready to go inside? Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go. Leave your sister alone. Okay, guys, so I am in my craft room, and like I said earlier, I need to restock all my packaging materials, make some more, have them all ready to go when I'm ready to package all my orders. But I think first, before I do that, I need to pick up my craft room. Can you guys see how messy it is? Hold on. I have a mess everywhere that I need to clean up in here because over the weekend I made a ton of product to go in a local store that I sell my products at. So I think before I do that, I need to clean up my craft room. Can you guys see everything? Okay, all right, let's get started. Look, did you guys see this candy resin tray that I made? I know. Got these cute little baskets at the Dollar Tree. Look how cute these are. And they match like the turquoise stuff in my room. I have no idea what I'm gonna put in these or where I'm gonna put these, but they were cute. I had to get them. So we have cleaned up the entire craft room. We are ready to work in here, but first we are going to take a quick lunch break. Well, we were going to go make lunch, but then the dogs were begging me to come back outside. So taking them out for a little bit, and then we'll go make some lunch. Okay, so I made myself a little Tostino's party pizza.
I love these things. Like, I have to be in the mood for it to eat it, and I'm just in the mood for it today. And of course, I gotta eat my pizza with ranch. Who else out there eats ranch with their pizza? A lot of people think I'm crazy, my husband included, but ranch and pizza is where it's at. And then I have my cute little tumbler that I made for myself last year, cowhide with turquoise. It's like my favorite combination ever. Next to hot pink and leopard, of course. And while I'm taking my lunch break, I like to watch some YouTube videos. I really enjoy watching like small business vlogs, studio, office hour vlogs, like that type of stuff. Look, you guys, it started raining like a lot. I hate filming when it's raining because anytime it's like raining like this much, and it's all gloomy out, I just want to like curl in bed and like read a book or just like binge watch a TV show or watch a movie, like all bundled up in bed. I don't want to film and work under these conditions. Anyway, so right now we are going to be working on some of my packaging stuff, so I will show you guys what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so here I have my little thank you cards that I put in every order. Anytime someone orders something from me, I throw in one of those. And I like to stamp them with this little stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. This stamp was $5, but I got it when they were having a 50% off sale on all their stamps. So of course I had to jump on it, but it just says handmade with love. So I like to stamp all of my flyers with this stamp. I just think it's cute and it just adds a cute little extra touch. So I'm going to stamp this entire stack with you guys, but I will save you guys some time and I will do a hyperlapsed clip of me doing these. So I ordered these postcards off of Vistaprint and I got 750 for only $35, including tax and shipping, because they were having a sale. And there we have it. They're all stamped and ready to go inside orders. So now we're gonna work on the next thing. Okay, so with the next thing, I have to make little inserts for these clear sleeves. I put coasters in them, the resin coasters I make, the card coasters, keychains. If someone orders a bunch of stickers and they don't fit in the smaller sleeves, then I put them in these larger ones. So I need to cut out the inserts, and I do it with this craft paper cardstock, obviously to fit inside this sleeve perfectly, but then I stamp my logo on the top of it. Okay, so this is what it will look like, and then I just take my little logo stamp. And I got this stamp custom made from a small business. They have an Etsy shop. I will be sure to link them in my description down below. Amazing customer service. I got it super quick, fast shipping. They basically walked me through the entire process. So they were amazing, and I definitely recommend getting as many as your office supplies and things that you need made by other small business owners, because if anyone gets the quality and the care that goes into making products, it's fellow small business owners, not big companies. So look at this. Isn't that amazing? Like, they got the detail on my little cow head skull that I designed. I designed this on my iPad, and then I just sent them over a picture of my logo. They got the details of the flowers, the carved skull, everything. So I am so happy with it. Anyways, so that's what the insert looks like. So then when I put it in the plastic sleeve, and I'll just leave them like this, that way if someone orders a glitter resin coaster, or they order some card coasters or a keychain, then I have this ready to go, and I just have to put their item in there and seal it, and then it just looks professionally packaged. I just think it makes it look more presentable, professional. It's cohesive with everything else that I package with. Boom. Last one. Ah. Okay, so we've put all of our inserts in our envelope. So these are the smaller ones that I put like the stickers in, or if someone bought like something really small, like a ring, then those would go in here. Other than that, I use these for everything else. So I have a decent stack of each here. So now we're gonna go work on some other packaging. Okay, so next we are gonna work on my tissue paper. So I just have some plain white tissue paper that I restocked on. So what I like to do is, you know how on one side of the tissue paper, it's a little bit more glossier and then the other side feels like regular paper. I like to take my logo stamp and then stamp my logo all over the tissue paper so that it just looks more professional and it looks like something I ordered online, but I actually stamp my logo all over it. And I typically use the tissue paper if I'm shipping something that could break, or if I just need some extra tissue paper to like shove in a box just to take up some space to protect it a little bit more during the shipping process. And I also wrap all of my tumblers in tissue paper. So I just take my custom logo and stamp down like that so that my logo is on it. And I'll just go all the way across. And voila, we have some patterned tissue paper with my logo all over it. So now I need to print out all of my care instructions and tags and cut these out. So I put these in anytime someone orders a tumbler, they get a care instruction card. Same thing if someone orders a t-shirt, I put some care instructions for that on how to wash it and everything. So yeah, I'm completely out of stock on my care instructions for both my shirts and my tumbler. So I'm gonna go ahead and print those out. I designed these in Procreate. Here is my care instructions for my tumbler. So I'm going to print off some of these. Okay, and then I'm gonna go print off my shirt tags or care instruction cards, whatever you want to call them. Look at all the stuff that you guys got to see me do. Kept me company while I made all this packaging goodies. Yes, thank you. Okay, so originally this was my shipping station and I have some shipping supplies here and I had some up top. You can see how that's going. But I also had all of my other shipping supplies and that just wasn't working out. So I want to move it into here because my printer is in my craft room on this stand. So right now this has printing supplies and stuff in there, and some Cricut supplies with my Cricut. I think what I'm going to do is get some type of other table or something to go right here next to my desk for my Cricut, but something that can also store all of my vinyl, because I hate that I have some vinyl here and then I have some vinyl in there and just everywhere. So I kind of want all of my Cricut stuff together, not Mod Podged all over the room. And then I think I'm going to turn this into my shipping station because my printer is here. So I'm going to move my printer over here so that I can reach it if I'm sitting at my desk over here. And then this little section where the printer is now will be where I package the products. So obviously I'm going to have to clean all this off and then put all of my shipping supplies and all of my ready to ship items in this somehow. So I'm going to set you guys up somewhere and put this in a hyperlapse for you guys so you can watch me clean and organize this and turn this into my shipping station. Okay guys, so we have finished doing the shipping station. So I have my large bubble mailers there, mediums there, smalls there, some pre-stamped envelopes. I have my shipping label paper, cardstock, and then regular paper, my paper cutter, and then I just have some ready to ship items in these baskets. I have my printer, my tissue paper, and I figured if I ever had my table overhead mount, then this would be a really cool backdrop to package up my orders on. And then I can have the tissue paper just laid out flat to avoid any further wrinkles. I have my scale there. Then in these racks that I already had my acrylic paints and my ribbon in, I decided to clear off the bottom shelving. And then I put these little drawer organizers that I already had. So I put my thank you stickers, my thank you cards that we stamped, my tumbler care instructions, my shirt care instructions, some extra stamps and packing tape, my clear packaging sleeves with the craft paper inserts that we stamped. And then on this side, I have my poly mailers and the clear sleeves that I wrap my t-shirts in. So I may have to, rearrange this at some point, but I think this is going to work great. So I love this because I can just sit at my desk over there on my laptop and then roll right over here, grab a mailer, package the order right there, throw in any of the cards that I need, weigh it, and then print out my shipping label all in one spot. Alright guys, so as always, if you have any questions or comments, just drop a comment down below. If you like this type of video, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any other small business vlogs.